Hello, hi, good morning, guys. Okay, how are you? This session for basically is for live track call. Uh, I gonna review what previous mapping. We still on the same mapping on the GBP USD and also gold XAU USD. For those who don't know what the some technical that I'm saying, just the guys don't worry about that. So because we gonna have a separate session for that, we're gonna have a webinar and for lesson purpose. So let's start with the mapping. Okay, first of all, I would like to know, maybe we wait for a few people to join us, and if you guys who in here already in this live track call, please comment, please say something, share your location, say hi to me. This is we gonna do not very strict lesson. We gonna do like a heavy, like a relaxation, because I don't want to make it very hard for you guys. Because trading forex is not very hard. You just have to control your emotion and have your trading plan, control your money management, then you're good to go. Okay, so for those newbie and just join and just to know and about to trade and just want to start, you guys don't worry about that. You just go with the flow. We go step by step. We learn step by step how to trade, and patience is the key. For me, the most important thing if you want to start trade is you have to have a patience, because a patience, without a patience, you will likely, if you floating or if you lost in the trade, you will revenge in the market. So you don't want such as this attitude. So yeah, first what are the important key. The first, you must have a right mindset. Secondly, you have plan your trade. Thirdly, control your money management. I will explain this later, but this is the most important key you have to know if you want to start the trade. Okay. Please comment and say, I would like to know how long have you been experienced for this trading. I know some of you guys already in 3 years, 4 years, and also some of you guys just want to start off this trade. Don't worry about that. Together we are learning. Learning is never end, so we learn together. So basically, we're gonna start just a very few minutes more. We're gonna wait for others, maybe our friend to join. We can start soon, anytime. So I want you to open your MT4 MetaTrader 4 or your platform, either you using, because I'm using here is MetaTrader 4. So I want you guys to open MetaTrader 4. Basically, if you guys use MetaTrader 5, it's no problem with that. You can keep that. But for this, live trade I want to guys, because we want to have a synchronized page, synchronized view. So you guys can follow me. Okay, I want you guys to open the MT4 that we call the short name as MT4. The real name is MetaTrader 4. So I'm using here is OctaFX real account too. So you guys can open account with OctaFX. So if you can PM me later, or I can teach you how to open the account, how to deposit. But yet if you just a newbie, maybe you can use a demo don't require any amount to deposit. Still you can trade on the virtual money, no problem with that. When you get the step, you can deposit on the real account, real money, so you can start your trading. If you just want to start this trade, or want to learn first, just can open demo account. So because OctaFX has a few options for traders, they have like a demo account, real account, standard account, send account. Even though you can trade on send account, this will be, I will explain later in the next session. Okay. Okay. Look at the platform here. Okay. You guys, as you guys can see, I'm opening GBP USD, because this is pound against dollar. GBP USD, the short name is GBP USD, pound against dollar. So why I'm choosing USD for this week? Because the trading idea is basically for this week. Will be the end of this day. Already Friday. Tomorrow is a Saturday. So we're gonna have maybe next session on Monday for a new trade plan, because for this week we still can stick in this plan. We still can use this plan. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Because maybe you are wondering why I'm open, or because we has total 64 pair in this particular broker. So why I'm choosing BBB USD besides others pair? I'm choosing this pair because I see a significant data release for this week. USD release big data release for this week. This is why I'm choosing USD pair, either USD in the front or USD in the back. What I mean, USD XXX again USD, or USD again XXX pair. So because when they have a volatile, because when the data fundamental data release have release data, they have a big volatile, or the market will go on the big scale move. So I'm targeting USD data release. So I'm look at this particular web, so you guys can refer to the same page that I look for me to monitor what the economic data release every day, beside Monday to Friday. So you can jump down this website. So I'm looking at Forex Factory. So okay, here. Okay. I'm looking at this Forex Factory to have a trade plan for the whole week. Means Monday to Friday. So in this you have to have a setting in this web. So when you open forexfactory.com, you go to calendar, click calendar. So it is totally free. Don't pay any amount to subscribe this particular website, because it's a free website whereby you can see anytime. There's no limitation for subscriber. So okay, you just can have a look all this data release. Why? Because they have like orange color, red color, orange color, red color. Because beside that they have a few color in back. They have a yellow color and white color. So I explain you later what is the purpose of all this color that they are into. What the maybe we can see the effect of all this color. Sorry. Okay. First of all, I would like to teach you how to setting this fundamental data release, because we not look into every data release. We just look into the, I think I can say it's a urgent one. I think the most important, it's not urgent, it's important one. Okay, first of all, you guys can see my cursor, right? My mouse cursor here. So click on the filter image here. You click on the filter image here. So currency, they have three expected impact event types. Currencies. For currencies is a pair. AUD is Australian, Canada is Canada, CNY is for China, Euro is about European pair, GBP is pound sterling, JPY is for Japanese yen, NZD is for New Zealand, USD is the US dollar, like for US American currencies. So all this pair is they are depending on the dollar. Dollar is the number one currency dollar in the world, because dollar, they have I think the number one bank in the world for America. So we're gonna take all these pair. We're gonna take one by one. All we select all, because we want to have a trade idea for all these pair. And for expected impact, they have few color: red, orange, yellow, and also I can say it's dark gray. Yes, it's a gray. So you just take the most important is we just want to see red and also orange color. Okay, because this is for yellow and gray. Basically the impact is not very high. Basically the low impact. Red is most high impact, because when the red data release, basically market will have a big volatile. Means the price movement will have a big volatile in the market. Never mind, if you don't understand what a big volatile or low volatile, the certain term that I said, maybe you can raise some hand in the chat box so I can explain to you later. Never mind, this is just a term for forex trading, for fundamental. We call this as a fundamental fundamental analysis. So we're gonna look fundamental data relief to have just an idea to trade about that pair, because we want to see market movement, whether downtrend. We gonna analysis downtrend or uptrend. From there You can combine fundamental and technical analysis to have a trade idea in the market. So just stick red color and also orange color. Even types, even type you tick all because we want to see all the data released. Because for growth, inflation, employment, central bank bonds, housing, consumer survey, business survey, speech, and miscellaneous. So, like I said, why I'm choosing USD because you see here every single day of this week have a USD data release. So my focus will be on the thing yesterday, Thursday, and also today on the US data release on 8:30 p.m. Okay, one more thing. Okay, if you have to adjust all this timing. Okay, how to adjust all this timing? You just click on the, I think they have a clocks picture up here in my cursor here. It show this time is at my place whereby I am living at Malaysia, basically in Kuala Lumpur. So I set time zone for Kuala Lumpur. Time format is AM to PM. So if you guys at Philippines or Singapore or maybe Indonesia or Thailand, so just have to search your country. Jakarta, you can click Jakarta. So Hong Kong, maybe I think you can click. Wait, I searching for. Yeah, they have here. You have Sydney. Basically, you can search at this particular box. Where is your country code? It's not country code. Where is your country? New Delhi. We have New Delhi. If you're living in India, I don't really see in they have a Singapore. Okay, I choosing back my country. Of course, I love my country. So you just save your settings here. So it will default whenever you open at the same device. It will appear like this, always in your country times. So let's talk about the mapping here. We go for the mapping here. Oh, okay. If you guys notice my previous mapping, I look into this pen. Why I look into it? Because I explained before, because they have a big data release for USD, and yet exactly as I predict, USD is still in the downtrend. Okay, you see. You guys can see if you guys can see here, I drag my channel here. This is my channel. It's not channel in YouTube, it's a channel in the mapping. Price still cannot break this particular line of this channel, So you guys can see here is we have a resistance here. Oh, maybe I can highlight this line because line is too thin. Okay, yeah, it appeared nicely. Okay. as you guys can see, my previous mapping is I draw down this line because I predict USD is still on the downtrend movement. So I already opened a position yesterday on this line. I instantly opened because I said price will play at this box area. If the price cannot break this box area, we just can continue entry. If the price break this box, so we will have another technical analysis for this pair. So lucky, we are very lucky the price is following us. Normally price will follow is big trader, because we follow big trader, so the price will follow us. Okay, like I said, price already touched the highest I think level in the box that I draw. So price likely touch and not success to break this line, and price make a return whereby they are continuing their downtrend movement. So if you guys follow my trade, you guys already profit, I think maybe about $46. 46, sorry, it's not $46, it's as 46 pips, because you can see here when I drag my cursor here, it show 52, it show 561. It's because it's in a point, we calculate as a pip, it's a 46 pip. So my mapping for today is still same. Okay, for those who miss out for entry yesterday, you guys can look for, this is on the big scale. I see on the big scale time frame. For those who miss out for maybe leave on the bus, not entry yesterday, you guys can search for lower time frame to do scalping to re-entry, to make the re-entry position. So we look into the re-entry position. I go for time frame H1 to look if we have opportunities to re-entry the position here. Okay. Okay. You guys very lucky today because we have one level that we can re-entry the position. So for re-entry position, I put a different color for this for we got to differentiate between higher time frame and lower time frame. Oh, because you are on the short position, you're gonna put red color. It's not crimson, it's not red, it's a crimson. Okay, alright, we have a red color here. Okay, and okay. if you guys want to insert entry, you can insert entry. The safe I think the risk zone is just 6 pip. If you guys have a smaller account, you can entry right now. Then you can layer at this box. Don't always calculate your risk, because my previous live I already teach how to calculate your risk. Always calculate your risk before you entry the market, because the idea, the reason I stress about this, I stress out about this particular reason. What is the particular reason I stress out about this? Because you have to plan your trade. You have to always calculate your risiko before you entry the market. Set your mind, always set in your mind, you're gonna lose first before your profit. You're gonna lose first before your profit. This is how the right minded in the market. Many people their mindset is always profit before loss. Is not the correct mindset to have a correct trading mindset to start your trade, because we have to control our money management. So look out on the previous video that I already upload in the channel, so you guys can look in the previous video to see how to see and to know how to calculate your risk. I already shared on the previous video. So always calculate your trade, always calculate your risk and trade at your own risk. Trade at your own risk, guys. So this is for thing for this live trade. This mapping. Maybe I can have another pair in the next session. I have another pair in the next session. So as usual, guys, if you have questions, maybe you can direct comment below on this video, so we can reply your you can, maybe we can look into your comments, and so we gonna reply that. If you have any question, so you can ask me directly. So I open for Q&A. You guys would like to know only for this mapping. For the lesson purpose, we have another lesson to have a lesson purpose. Just wait, guys. Patience is the key. Patience is the key. Always put in your mind, patience is the key. Because when you patient, your trade will grow. When you impatient, you don't have patience in the market, you will burn your money. You will burn your money in the market. So guys, maybe okay. If there's any question before I end this video, you can ask me anytime. So I'm here for you guys. I'm here for you. I'm not your teacher. I'm not your professor here. I'm just your friend. So don't afraid with me. So you guys can ask me anything. Okay. Okay. If they have no, okay, already you can instant enter, because the price already touched the box. Oh, you can enter your position. Okay, guys. That's all for today. Okay. Bye bye.